At the heart of every industry lay the impressive industrial machinery that operates at peak efficiency. We delve into the colossal machines that get the job done. These remarkable pieces of engineering allow industries to run at peak efficiency and never stop, keeping the work going and ensuring that progress never halts. From construction sites to mining industries, efficiency, performance, and jaw-droppingly huge industrial machines. These are the features that ensure our industries have all the power they need. Standing tall at 51 feet and 6 inches, the Caterpillar 797F is a force to be reckoned with. Built with a staggering length of 49 feet and 6 inches, this machine is made to perform at peak efficiency. Introduced in September 2008, this mammoth has a payload capacity of 363 tons and 400 short tons. This off-highway, ultra-class, and 2-axle haul truck was built for high-production mining and heavy applications. The 797F is the largest model in the 797 series by Caterpillar, and this beast is the epitome of efficiency. Equipped with a CAT C175-20 ACRT 20-cylinder diesel engine that allows for a gross 4,000 HP and a top speed of 68 km per hour, all this while transporting a load of 363 tons is nothing short of impressive. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe for more colossal machine videos. With an astonishing lifting capacity of 1,200 tons, the LTM 11200-9.1 is the most powerful telescopic mobile crane right now. This engineering marvel is a key component in construction projects, allowing for large loads of material to be transported from one place to another without any hitches. This all-terrain crane has a 9-axle chassis with a telescopic boom of 100 meters. Such an incredible configuration increases lifting capacities. This, paired with its 188-meter max hoist height, allows it to complete just about any job. From carrying and installing wind turbines to removing heavy materials from the ground, this monstrous machine gets its power from an 8-cylinder, water-cooled Liebherr Type D9508A7 diesel engine, generating power up to 500 kilowatts and is supported by a 602-liter fuel tank. The Komatsu PC8000-6 excavator is an incredible machine for mining purposes. With an advanced hydraulic system, this machine has an overall track width of 29.76 feet. Paired with a shovel capacity of 42 cubic meters, it is a marvel in the mining industry, allowing for peak efficiency with each shovel. Equipped with a Komatsu SDA16 V16 OE-2 engine, the 4-cycle water-cooled and direct injection engine allows for the machine to have a 4,023.1 HP. The Komatsu PC8000-6 comes with a maximum digging depth of 26.6 feet and a swing radius of 28.6 feet, ensuring that more ground is covered with each swing. The efficiency of the hydraulics lies in its main pump type, which is 8 swash plate pumps, enabling a maximum flow rate of 2,187.4 gallons per minute. The BelAZ 7510 has a unique twin-axle setup with double wheels and has a staggering carrying load capacity of 450 tons. Weighing at about 360 tons, the 75710 is one of BelAZ's largest haul truck models. The truck comes with an impressive turning radius of about 31 meters, which is impressive for a haul truck. This beast of a machine is equipped with a 4-wheel hydraulic steering and also has a 4-wheel drive, which is rather uncommon in haul trucks today. The machine is used for transporting materials from one place to another. Its shallow bed allows miners to efficiently transport materials. Paired with a maximum speed of 64 km per hour, thanks to the 2 MTU 65-liter 16-cylinder 4-stroke engines, the 75710's efficiency is increased by its ability to travel fast. The Bagger 293 is a dream come true for surface miners. Being the biggest land vehicle produced, this mammoth stands at 315 feet tall. The machine requires 5 people to operate it together and needs an external power source of 16.65 megawatts to work. The bucket wheel allows surface miners to dig, remove materials, and excavate, and has a diameter of 70 feet. Each of its 18 buckets can hold 15 cubic meters of material, which not just increases efficiency, but exceeds it. You can expect the Bagger 293 to move efficiently and clear about 218,880 tons of soil every day. This type of efficiency in the surface mining industry is unprecedented and highly welcomed. It's all made possible by the incredible Bagger 293. Holding the world record for the largest earth mover, the PNH L2350 is simply one of the greatest wheel loaders invented. It has a 7.03 meter lift height and a 3.5 meter reach. With an operational weight of 266.62 tons and a payload of 73 tons, the L2350 is an engineering marvel. The innovation incorporated in creating the L2350 to be efficient is seen in the bucket, which has a capacity of 40.52 cubic meters. This colossal machine strength is unmatched with its hydraulic payload capacity of 65 tons. To top it all off, the 65-liter Cummins engine with a 4-cycle turbocharged aftercooler gives a power output of 1.715 kilowatts. No wonder people consider this monstrous machine the greatest for mining industries. The Terex RH400 is an excavator that was built with exceptional engineering. Weighing an unbelievable 980 tons, the machine has a transport length of 13.4 meters, a height of 9.99 meters, and a width of 9.07 meters. The impressive machine has a solid and unique tear-out force of 2,400 kilonewtons, allowing it to excavate just about anything at peak performance. The hydraulic shovel harbors a bucket capacity of 50 units per minute. Its bucket width is 5.6 meters. This may be one of the best crawler excavators created, with its max horizontal reach being 19 meters. The bucket capacity, paired with the tear-out force, allows this colossal machine to be an efficient tool in the line of mining and construction work. The Krupp Bagger 288 is one of the largest tracked vehicles off-road in the world. This bucket wheel excavator is built for coal mining surfaces, providing peak performance in this sector. The Bagger is an exponential 240 meters long and is 96 meters high. Its peak efficiency in coal mining is seen when it clears up to 240,000 tons of soil and materials per day. With an additional power supply of 16.5 megawatts, the body of the Krupp Bagger 288 can move 600 meters per hour. And with its 18 different buckets, each with the capacity to pick up and move 6.6 tons of materials and soil. Weighing in at an impressive 825 tons, the Hitachi EX8000-6 is a humongous crawler excavator that operates at peak efficiency in tough terrains. It has an astonishing tear-out force of 2,230 kilonewtons and a depth of 4 liters. The hydraulics-powered excavator allows for a maximum horizontal reach of 18 meters and a transport height of 9 meters. Paired with a Cummins QSK TA60CE engine, it has an incredible power output of 1,450 kilowatts and a track width of 1,850 HP. The real advancements lie in its max cutting height, which is 67.26 feet, and a bucket digging force of 501,323.9 pounds. The Hitachi EX8000-6 is an engineering marvel that can conquer just about any terrain with full efficiency. With a diameter of 57.5 feet, this machine was specifically created for the Alaskan Way Viaduct project. Bertha was the world's largest earth pressure balance tunnel boring machine. It weighed in at an unbelievable 6,100 tons and was 326 feet tall. This $80 million project was used to excavate the tunnel opening and showed peak efficiency in the work. This efficiency was a result of incredible engineering. Features like the cutter head, which had a diameter of 57.5 feet, allowed for Bertha to be a strong tunnel boring machine, aiding in the Seattle-Alaskan Way Viaduct project. Its power output of 24 by 505.7 kilowatts allowed a staggering performance in terms of tunnel boring. It was paired with the cutter head motors that had an exceptional 16,500 HP each. This machine was an efficiency marvel. At a formidable weight of 19.15 tons, the Linde H160D is a small but powerful diesel forklift. Its main efficiency lies in its heavy lifting operations. Its incredible performance is aided by a nominal load at the center of gravity of 16 tons. The machine comes manufactured with a Perkins engine that allows for a solid 112 kilowatts of power outage. The fork face has a length of 18.53 feet with an overall width of 8.37 feet, aiding efficiently in lifting tasks. With a turning radius of 16.9 feet, the Linde H160D is one of the best technologically advanced forklifts in the world. The XCMG XCA1600's 9-axle all-terrain chassis with a drive of 8 axles is a leader in the Chinese hydraulic lifting truck crane. Excelling in facilitating the installations of wind turbines of heights up to 140 meters, this machine has one of the best lifting capacities of all machines. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 155 meters and is also efficient in transportation and traveling. This is enabled by its max speed of 80 kilometers per hour with heavy load. Helping out in mostly the transportation and installation sector and construction industries. The crane's engine with a 480 kilowatt power output is formidable. Paired with its incredible lifting capacity, this machine is extremely efficient and is one of the leading giants in the industrial world today. The John Deere 744L is a small package with serious productivity. This industrial loader provides incredible control and hydraulic routing, which allows for increased productivity. With a high-capacity heavy-duty axle, the large-scale wheel loader is a sign of progress and efficiency. To be specific, the 744L has a net power of 236 kilowatts or 316 HP. It's equipped with a staggering bucket capacity of 4 to 4.5 cubic meters. The operating weight of this wheel loader is an incredible 25,445 kilograms. This, paired with a turning radius of 5.92, makes this machine one of the most efficient packages out there. The commercial industries benefit the most from the 744L wheel loader's efficiency. With a formidable weight of 268 tons, the Komatsu WE1850 is one of the household machines in the mining sector. It comes equipped with a bucket capacity of 31 cubic meters that allows for efficient surface clearing and earth moving. The operating weight alone reeks of efficiency. Coming in at 590,000 pounds, the WE1850 is a force to be reckoned with. It has a standard lift operating payload of 130,000 pounds and a high lift capacity of 120,000 pounds. This machine is sheer performance and its technology helps massively in mining sectors. The CAT 995 is an exceptionally large wheel loader that is the preferred machine for many industrial workers today. With a colossal weight of 245 tons, this is one of the largest wheel loaders in the CAT series. With weight comes incredible performance. The bucket capacity integrated into the machine has a capacity of 44 cubic meters, making removal of material and excavation an easy, efficient task. CAT did not skimp out on the engine either. The efficient performance is further enhanced by the CAT 3516E engine, which has a staggering power output of 187 horsepower. Such bucket capacity, power, and efficiency allow for the 995 to take on virtually any mining task in the industry. It must be evident by now that these colossal giants are the reason our construction and mining industries can function as effectively as they do. With efficiency in their every movement, these machines are the beacons of industrial progress. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible machinery.